All right, today this is the Ford Fiesta 2018 model, okay? All right, today I'm going to show you how to turn on the bright headlights, or also called the high beam headlights. But first of all, we're going to have to make sure our headlights are on. So you see this right here? This right here is how you turn on the headlights, right? We went over that in the previous video. So the headlights are either on or in the automatic setting right there, right? I'm going to keep them on for this right here. All right, so now, in order to turn on the bright headlights, once they're on, okay, or in the automatically on, you're gonna go right here. There's this lever right here, right? And if I pull it all the way, the bright headlights come on. Do you see that? Okay. And if I push it back or pull it one more time, watch this. They are off. I'm gonna show you from a distance right here. All right. Now watch this. Pull it like that. The headlights, bright headlights are on. Pull it again, and they are off. All right. But you also can like blink them if you want to by not pulling halfway. You go like that. Look at that. You're blinking or flashing your bright headlights, okay? Let me know if you have a question about this, all right? Thanks a lot for watching.